Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So what I have over here, this tire has been outside here for quite some time, and it's starting to fade. And what I decided to do, I decided to grab some coconut oil right here. And what I will do over here, I will take this coconut oil and apply on the tire, and see if I could bring out the black shine and how this tire should look like. And I have some microfiber towel that I will use to do this job. So without beating on a bush and going on a further ado, I have some coconut oil here that I'm gonna put right here. Okay, so what I had done, there's a few drops right there, and I'm gonna take this here and then rub it in, and let's see what I get out of it, because this tire is starting to fade. And then I want to see if I can bring out the black shine, and they'll go from there. Okay, now let's flip the towel and then come back and then dry it off, and then show you the results. Okay, now it's pretty dry, and I'm gonna come here and then touch. Looks like it's dry to touch. And if you look over here, the results are remarkable. And in order to get this tire black to its original shape, I used the coconut oil like you see here. And there you go. I hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.